friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to see what is an antigen. An antigen is any substance which, when introduced into the body, stimulates the production of an antibody with which it reacts specifically and in an observable manner. The antigen may originate from within the body or from the external environment. For example, chemicals, viruses, bacteria, pollen, etc. Allergens or antigens which cause allergic reactions either of the immediate or delayed type. In simple terms, any substance that induce the production of antibodies against it is called an antigen. I am concluding this video here. See you soon in my next video. Thank you, friends.